have to tell you something that's really embarrassing, like super embarrassing. So not too long ago, not too long ago, I had to get in my car, drive to a store in order to be able to sign a document. Okay. In order to be able to sign a document because I needed to scan it and I needed to fax it. And I was like, this is crazy. How am I faxing in this economy? Like, there's got to be a better way to do this because, I grew up in the 90s and all that type of stuff, and we do faxing the way that we do it. But today, I'm actually pulling back the curtain and I'm going to share with you some systems that I have put in my business to make like building an online business so much easier. And one of them you probably have already heard of or you're already paying for, but you're just not using it yet. So before I'm going to break down those tools, I'm going to tell you about my team. Like, it may seem like I have this really huge team. Honestly, I do not, okay? I'm gonna pull back the curtain of who I am, what it is that I do, who we have in our team, and then the systems that we are using to help me with my online business. Because one of the best things that you can have in your business is systems, okay? Because if everything's up here, which mine was for a long time, then that's when things get so chaotic. But let's break it down. Okay, so obviously I'm CEO. I'm also the main content strategist and social media manager currently. But I also have my assistant. She's in the Philippines. She works 40 hours a week. She operates as my executive assistant, but also my online business manager. I have a contractor that does all tech things. Anything tech-wise that has to be done, she is there. We have a part-time person that works with all graphics that we need, and they utilize AI to help with that. And then we just recently brought on a part-time social media manager because we're growing on all the platforms and I can't handle it by myself and run a business and have a life. And so that is the team that we have. Now, what are the systems that we have in place? Well, one of the things is that anytime we onboard a team member, there are a series of things we have to do in order to onboard those team members, right? So we have to have some type of offer letter, NDA. We have to have a way to send it to them for them to be able to sign. We have to have some type of workspace for project management. We have to also be able to utilize something for team communication, and plus the AI different tools we use, PDFs, signing things, all that type of stuff. Okay, so let me break down some of them, and then one specifically is Adobe. I'm gonna break that one down even more in detail because Adobe Acrobat does so much, and this is my very first time introducing you guys to Adobe Acrobat, and I'm so excited to share it with you because it literally is becoming life-changing for my business. Now, what is the system that we utilize for project management? Well, what we use for project management, we use Google. So we have Google Workspace where all our emails are connected and all that. And that's also where we do all of our team communication, and we do some project management in there. But the other project management tool that we use is Notion, okay? Notion keeps everything hyper organized. My assistant loves it. My little brain is like, give me a list all day, every day. So, it's been a journey of me utilizing Notion every day. But Notion is such a great place to have everything super organized as it pertains to storing our files. All of our main files are stored on the inside of Google Drive. We got a bunch of folders in Google Drive. All of my video content is stored in a tool called Playbook, okay? And so Playbook, I like that because it's very inexpensive, but also it doesn't necessarily it doesn't shrink my files when I upload them. They're still the same quality when I get them out, okay? And so that is what we're using with that. Now, as it pertains to being able to sign documents and create PDFs and all the type of stuff, we have started using Adobe Acrobat to just streamline all of that. Now, Adobe does a whole lot of stuff, but specifically today we're going to talk about a few things that we use for my business from a system standpoint to help me run my business. So a lot of people, when they think about Adobe, they only think about PDFs, right? But Adobe Acrobat actually has a lot of additional features that you may not have even thought about, but you're about to learn about today. And they have an amazing AI assistant, because we all know that if we can incorporate AI in the things that we do, oh my God, it saves us so much time. It also can do some of the thinking for us because we don't always like to think about everything. And Adobe Acrobat's AI assistant It's chef's kiss. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and edit a PDF. So here we are on the inside of Adobe Acrobat. You see all the Adobes up here, but we're specifically on the inside of Acrobat. So I'm gonna choose one of my PDFs down here. I'm just gonna click on it, and then it's gonna bring up the screen that's gonna allow me to start to be able to edit my PDF. Now, I don't know about you, but back in the day, you had to like download this software, download this, and like just all listen. It's all on the inside of Adobe Acrobat, and we won't have to do all that, okay? All right. So here, now we've got our file on the inside of here. Now we want to go ahead and we want to edit. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on edit up here. All right. And then obviously we're on the editing screen. And so now you see where all of this is opened up. So let's just say that I'm like, I don't want this emoji. I just want to delete that emoji. Obviously, I'm going to tap on it, hit delete. Boom, it is done. Let's just say I've got to change the pricing of something else, right? And then let's say we want to change the pricing to make this $20. All right. Bam, there we go. We've got the pricing at $20. And then now my PDF is basically ready to be exported. Okay. So you see that there? Now we've got the PDF there, and now we are done with that. Okay. So now what we can do is we can share the PDF if we want to, or we can do other things with it. I can request signatures on this if I want to, right? So let's go down here where we've got, let's just say that I have a signature page here. So we're going to go ahead and add some text here. That way we can do a signature with it. All right. So let's just see. We're going to go to edit. All right. We're going to add some text. All right. Let's say signature. Make sure my spelling is correct. All right. So now we got the signature. Okay. And then let's just say we're going to do the date. All right. So now we got the date. All right. Let's get that there. Okay, now we've got all that done. We're just going to make sure that we have this exactly where we want it. All right. And so now that we're there, we're able to do some additional things with it. Okay. So I can go ahead and share this with someone if I want to, or I can go ahead and I can request their signature for someone. So I'm going to click in here where it says request e-signatures. Now it's going to go ahead and prepare it for me to be able to request people's signatures. Okay. So then we're just going to scroll down here where we've got it here. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put e-signature here. All right. So now that literally is ready. Okay. So now we're just going to go ahead and click on send. All right. And then all I have to do now is put in somebody's email address, which I will put in mine. All right. And bam, there we go. And then bam. So we not only edited the PDF, but we also requested e-signatures for that. Okay. So it's coming to my email now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you it actually in my email. All right. So now we've got Keenya Kelly has requested a signature. So now we're going in there to see, all right, what does Keenya Kelly want me to do? So let's click in there, review and sign. So easy. Now I don't have to get into a car and drive anywhere in order to sign a document. Okay. Now, obviously, I'm logged into my own account because so it won't let me sign for myself, but that is how you would literally be able to sign, which is why it says Adobe Acrobat sign, okay, which is absolutely amazing. So now we're going to come down here and we're going to learn how to actually use the AI assistant. I know you're excited about that. I am. So let's go ahead and click on the AI assistant, okay? And then we're just going to actually come in here and just have it help us, okay? All right. So first things first, we're going to go to recent. We'll go to the same document that we have here that we had pulled up a little bit earlier. Let's go ahead and click on that. All right. So now that document is pulling up, okay? And so now it's going to ask you, how can you help us? Okay. I'm going to talk to it, okay? So I want to create a similar document where I am selling a membership to content creators, teaching them how to automate their business. I want you to create a simple, um, a simple pricing structure of $50 a month or $100 a month or $10,000 a year. That's random, but you see what it is, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and hit enter to that. Okay. And then we are going to see what the AI assistant is going to give us. Okay. So here we go. To create a pricing structure for your membership program targeting content creators who want to automate their businesses, I have modeled this approach after the Social Infusion document. This structure is clear, tiered, and highlights value at each level. Here is a simple, actionable pricing structure you can use directly in your document. Okay. So here we go. We have the $50 a month, right? Access to automation tutorials. It literally is laying out all the benefits, even though I didn't necessarily say it. It's gave it a name, starter, and then you got pro, $100 a month. You've got all starter benefits plus exclusive templates, advanced workshops, and priority support. Amazing. Then you've got the elite annual, which is $10,000 a year. All pro benefits, one-on-one, automation coaching, custom workflows, VIP access, so on and so on and so on. Okay. So then it turned into an actual diagram, very similar to the Social Infusion document. Okay. And just broke it way down for me. Okay. Just absolutely amazing. Okay. So again, if you're saying to yourself, you want to be able to do this for yourself, then you literally can just use Adobe Acrobat's AI Assistant to help you with so much of this, because you already need Adobe for the e-signatures, for the PDFs and all that type of stuff. But you also can use this for all of the systems in your business. Plus Adobe has so many amazing things that you just really need to try it. So here's the thing I really want you to walk away with today. I want you to walk away with the fact that if you are going to run a successful online business, you've got to have systems, okay? Whether you are a full-time content creator, still got to have systems. If you are a business owner selling a product or service and you're a content creator or what have you, you have to have systems, okay? And Adobe Acrobat has so many of those systems all in one, plus so many other things that Adobe covers. And I want you to take away the fact that you need to implement these things into your mix in order to really run a successful online business. Because the truth is, many of us grew up in an era where we had to print everything out. You got to send this to the person to get signed, and they don't have an online tool to be able to sign this or print. It's just a lot, right? Like I literally in my office right now, I have a printer over there, and I don't know the last time I used it because I don't need to, but being able to use these tools allow you to be able to send something and say, okay, sign this, sign that, look at this, change that. You're able to give literal notes to people on things, right? Like I love being able to say, okay, here's this PDF. I want you to sign here, sign here, sign here. They don't have to ask, where do I sign? It tells them here, right? When it comes to administrative things, instead of me having to do it all by myself or hire an additional assistant or overload my current assistant, we're able to use Adobe's AI assistant to help us with a lot of this stuff. Now, one of the things that I love is the fact that I'm smart at what I'm smart at, but I'm not smart at everything. And I don't need to be, because when I'm able to use Adobe's AI assistant, it literally is being the best assistant ever. And it's helping my assistant as well. Like I can't even tell you how much more productive I am, how much more productive she is, and how many systems we've been able to put into our business because the AI assistant is teaching us how to create some of these systems that we've never thought about. Because I have not been a business owner my entire life. I've been a business owner the last 10 years. That means I only have 10 years under my belt. But with the AI system, it has all the things in there. And so the things that I don't know, we can incorporate. So I was trying to teach my assistant how to be an online business manager. And there was only so much that I knew, but we can go in and we can talk to the AI assistant. And guess what? It can teach us both some things that we did not know. And it can also bring some structure to some things that I don't even know how to bring structure to, but the assistant was able to help us with that. And so for me as a consultant, I am obviously doing like a lot of deals with people. Sometimes I work with brands and they may not have a contract. I have to send them a contract, right? Or some people want to get me to speak at a conference and they don't have a contract. Well, guess what? I have my own contracts here on the inside of Adobe Acrobat, and I'm able to just send it to them to review and sign, right? When I hire someone, I onboard someone to my team, we're able to just send them a document to sign right then and there. It's just like so easy. Or if someone sends me a document to sign and they don't send it to me via like Adobe or what have you, I literally can just pull it up on my desktop and I can sign it there utilizing Adobe Acrobat. I can also create my own PDFs and we can edit PDFs. Now, I don't know about you, but when people would send me things, I'm like, I don't know how to export some from a PDF, from a Word file. Listen, now I have Adobe Acrobat installed on my computer. I pull up anything, it pops up and it like literally walks me through everything. So as you're building this online business, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you implement systems to your business. That includes project management, team communication, that includes Adobe Acrobat for e-signatures, for the AI assistant, for the PDF creation, PDF edits. Highly recommended to have it as a tool in your tool belt. And so I'm actually going to put a link to them in the description. That way you are able to take advantage of them. Now, if you already have Adobe Acrobat, then what I want you to do is I want you to go in and I want you to play with it today, but I want you to go in and I want you to play with the AI assistant and I want you to ask it to help you with some things. Just start going down the list of what you need help with. You are going to be amazed at how much time you're going to save, how efficient it's going to be, and how effective it's going to help you with your business. And so if you want to see everything that Adobe Acrobat can do, you want to go ahead and click on the first link in the description. And if you want to hit the ground running with AI prompts, I'm going to put that link there as well as the second link. So I'm giving you every single thing that I have, but I want you to be able to have it a lot sooner and a lot faster so you can implement it. And so I want you to ask me anything in the comments as you are working in Adobe Acrobat, doing the e-signatures or the PDFs, and especially the AI assistant. I want you to tell me what it is you asked it to do and what did it give you. And I want you to give me all of your feedback. I know you are going to be totally blown away at what Adobe Acrobat can do and what that AI assistant can do. So if you found this video valuable for you, be sure to let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and then share this video with somebody.